Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone and welcome. Homeostasis is primarily controlled by blank feedback loops, positive, negative, acclimatized, and receptor. And so a positive feedback loop is a feedback loop in which a cascading effect occurs. So a stimulus triggers an effect, which creates more of the stimulus, which creates the effect again, and so it just keeps on occurring more and more and more. And so an example would be the ripening of apples. So let's just say you have a few apples. So this apple right over here becomes ripened, and it releases a hormone called ethylene, which causes the apples around it to also ripen. So these ripen, and in doing so, they release more ethylene. So more apples ripen, which in turn produce more ethylene, and so this cascading effect causes more and more of the thing to happen. It's a cascading effect. And so this is not good for homeostasis because homeostasis is trying to revert back to its original condition, where in this case you get further and further away from that condition. Next, we have negative feedback loops. So negative feedback loop an example would be glucose levels. So let's just say this is what your homeostasis is. So this is your target levels, your target glucose levels. And so in homeostasis, we're trying to maintain this stable environment at this level. But currently, your glucose levels are up all the way here. Your body releases insulin, and in a negative feedback loop such as this, your blood glucose levels drop back down to their normal level, where they are maintained. And that is essentially what homeostasis is. And so a negative feedback loop reverts it back. So a negative loop will revert back to the original condition, the one that you want. So in this case, homeostasis. And so your answer is going to be B, a negative feedback loop. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.